Come, join us. And you say, repeat that with me. By the light of the moon, may we be one with the pack, and respect each other in the most honorable way. Blunt the conjuls, may we be the one with the hunters. And in the return, after your first transformation, when you go on your hunt. This one you don't have to say. Repeat. Okay. The wolves will hand you the sick and the dying wolves for you as a gift for joining our pack. That is our peace offering to you. And you will be safe on that journey. And when the time is right, there will be no people around you except for you and your family, or your friend, or anybody that you choose to go with on your trip for the wolf. But in return, if you get 3, the alpha gets something in a respectful way. Howl with me now. May the wolves reveal themselves. When I snap my finger, may you see the wolves that I hang out with and all the other special spirits. In 3, 2, 1. You feel more peace. You may start getting more phone calls. Hark, I sense dragon coming. He's coming in the doorway. Dragon, spirit for us, Marshall, please come. Come in. Come to Marshall. Guide him. Teach him. Let him transform into you as well as a wolf, special wolf from the other realm that are not of mine, but of the same area. Please come. Please come. Come. Form with Marshall and the dragon. Together you shall transform. We do this the old Native American way. Peace. And off camera I will play the music, and the casting will be done by the light of the moon. May the conjuls blunt the conjuls. May we be one with the pack. You're visioning anything. Relax. Relax. Close your eyes. Envision yourself in a deep relaxation. You will see all the wolves. And you will see one of the wolves from far enter you as your form.
I ruined your video. Oh, shit.
And by now, we will come.